Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Wheat pancakes recipe for toddlers. If you are looking for some interesting ways to add wheat to your baby's diet, then wheat pancakes can be a great idea. Learn how to make this super easy recipe with a few simple steps. Type of meal: vegetarian. Suitable for any toddler above 14 months of age. Meal schedule: breakfast. Preparation time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 15 minutes. Total time: 25 minutes. Ingredients you will need: whole wheat flour, 1 cup. Banana, mashed, 1 small sized. Jaggery, ½ cup. Coconut scraped, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Cardamom powder, ½ teaspoon. Salt, a pinch. Water, 2 cups. Ghee or oil, for frying, as required. How to make: heat water in a pan and take it off the flame. Add jaggery in the hot water and mix well to dissolve it. Once the jaggery and water mixture cools down, add wheat flour slowly as you keep mixing the batter gently. Add scraped coconut, salt, and cardamom powder to the mixture. Give it a thorough mix. At this juncture, add mashed banana to the mixture and beat well. Heat ghee in a pan. Scoop out the pancake mix using a ladle and pour it on the pan. Cook on both sides until the pancakes turn light brown. Cook all the pancakes in the same way. Serve these yummy wheat pancakes at room temperature. Recipe tips: for younger babies, you can skip adding scraped coconut. You can add other fruits such as grated apples, pureed peaches, etc. for adding your twist to the recipe. You may adjust the sweetness by adding or reducing the quantity of jaggery. If jaggery is not available, you can use brown sugar, palm sugar, and other natural sweeteners. Do not spread the pancake too thinly on the pan as it may stick to the pan. You can add rice powder or semolina to make crispier and crunchier pancakes. You can substitute water with milk for tastier and softer pancakes. Try making this yummy wheat pancake recipe. You can add ingredients or skip them as per the availability or choice of your baby.